You have survived the inspections and the appraisal, but the final hour of your home buying journey is actually the most dangerous. Closing day is not just about signing your name 50 times. It is a high-stakes financial transaction where one tiny mistake can cancel the entire deal. The absolute biggest threat in 2026 is wire fraud. Never ever send your down payment based on an email without calling the title company first to verify the instructions. Second, you must resist the urge to buy new furniture or appliances on credit until after the deed is officially recorded at the courthouse. Lenders often do a soft credit pull on the very morning of closing, and a new $5,000 debt can instantly disqualify your loan. Make sure you bring a valid government-issued photo ID and a certified cashier's check if you didn't wire your funds in advance. You will spend about an hour reviewing the closing disclosure to ensure your interest rate and monthly payment match exactly what we promised you. Once the funding authorization is sent from the bank, the house is officially yours, and you can finally grab those keys. I'll be standing by to make sure the Maestro method gets you through the finish line without a single note out of tune.